Welcome to the training center. We are going to cover a 1403 burn briefing. It's really important that we get everybody together so we can get them on the same page with the burn plan, the assignments, the accountability, our safety messages. All those things are drilled home in that safety briefing. We also have to log and document all of our burns, so making sure we're keeping not only a clear plan for the entire group, but also good documentation for us to keep track of. So this is a template that we use here at Midwest City Fire Department. Based on the recommendations of 1403, it's essentially compliant, but it is unique to our organization because we want those burn plans on the fire ground to really kind of match as much as possible the way we run our incidents. So as you can see, we kind of have the layout, just the kind of the details of the event. Today we're burning on the 9th. Right now, Chief Be About is the burn IC out there. We're using Fireground 1 as our communication channel. We want to make sure everybody's on that communication channel, and we'll cover the communication plan here in a little bit. Our medical contact is dispatch. Should we have any incident here, we're going to go through our normal dispatch channel, contact them for medical response. We have kits on scene, but we want to make sure we have a real-time 911 emergency dispatch here for any medical events. We communicate clearly where the burn location is going to be. Today they're burning on floor 1. And then we want to make sure we document the fuel package. It's especially important that we are well aware of the fuel package we're using. We have consistency in that fuel package, and we keep track of if we were to ever have an event or a problem, we know what we were dealing with at that time. So these are the details of it, and then we go to the ICS structure. The ICS structure, IC is in charge of the incident. He's running the overall incident. Our burn IC is Chief Be About, as we said, but they are on Fireground 1. They're completely separate from our incident. We have ignition reporting directly to the IC because the IC is overall in charge, but once ignition is started, they're in control of that live environment, so they have to work very much in tandem with the IC. The IC will conduct the burn plan, but then once we have ignition go, we need to make sure that they're in control of what's going on inside because they have the closest look at that ignition point. So as we roll down the chart, once we have this lined up, we then have a sequence of events. Ignition is going to light the fire. When they determine that we are good to go and the presentation is correct, the fire behavior is what they want, they'll have attack go. They'll say go, go, go. Now attack is running the fire. As they're progressing in, that attack group supervisor is in complete control of everything, in charge. Should he have any incidents, he calls for safety. Safety, safety, safety will activate the safety line. Safety is then in charge of the incident. So we have that kind of horizontal management of the fire ground.